let's look at the another conditional operator, the question mark. We can use the question mark operator like we would use an if statement. So create a Boolean B, two random numbers from 0 to 9, print them out just so we know what they are. And then here, we're going to do an operation. We're going to do an if statement. So if x is greater than or equal to y, we're going to assign the value of b equal to true. Else we'll print set b equal to false, and we'll print it out. Now, technically, we can do the same thing like this, because that's going to give us a result of true or false. But what we're going to look at gives us more control than that, because we can assign the particular values we want it to be. So here we can use the question mark operator. So if b is equal to x or y, question mark, true, colon, false, and then we print it out. The values after the question mark are what is assigned to b. If it's true, colon, if it's false. So I assigned, if this was true, I assigned the value true. If this is false, I assign the value false. Now, it's a lot more complicated doing it this way, but I could do this and flip it around. So now, if this is true, I assign the value false. If this is false, I assign the value true. Now, we can do this with other things besides Booleans, because assigning true or false values may not seem like the simplest thing, it may not be the most useful thing. So what if we did it with integers? Maybe I want a variable that represents the max value between two numbers. So x and y, we gave random values 0 to 9. So I set max equal to x greater than or equal to y. So this has a true or false value. If it's true, it assigns max equal to x. If it's false, it assigns max equal to y. Now let's run this and see if this is working the way we think it is. So x is 9, y is 5, so the max is 9. Let's run it again. I want to get y being the max. Nope, there's x being the max again. X the max again, one more time. Let's see. No, x just always seems to want to be the largest number here. There we go. So y is 9, so the max was set to 9. And that is the end of our lesson.